Let's make this beautiful and delicious mini beach theme cake with pastel cakes and desserts. But before that, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Soak the blueberry juice-infused sponge with fresh milk. Layer it with blueberry juice-infused fresh cream. Put a layer of freshly made blueberry compote. Repeat the same process. If want the full recipe of this sponge and compote, so leave a comment below. Do the crumb coating and let the cake chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. Start the final coat. Write the message. I have already made few fondant accents as per the beach theme. It's time to finish it with some edible pearls. And it's done. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cake and dessert videos. Please leave a comment for the recipes.